Welcome to Product Performance Analysis Dashboard.
Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are the key components and features of SAC dashboards: interactive charts and graphs, smart insights, storytelling, predictive analysis, financial performance management, human resources analysis, sales and marketing analysis. Welcome to the Product Performance Analysis Dashboard, a command center built for leaders who want clarity, speed, and precision in every decision. Right at the top, 4 KPIs set the foundation for your business story. Sales revenue, $24.3 million, gross profit, $2.70 million, cost of goods sold, $2.74 million, and units sold, 2.72 million units. These numbers represent your portfolio's scale, margin strength, and operational throughput. Next, moving on to deeper insights, that is charts. At first, we have sales revenue per date, 2022 versus 2023. This chart captures revenue evolution across the last 2 years. $9.55 million in 2022, rising to $14.78 million in 2023. It's a simple view, yet it reveals cycles, seasonal highs, and shifts in consumer demand. With linked analysis, selecting a product, channel, or production metric instantly reshapes all visuals, allowing leaders to isolate performance patterns with one click. This is one of the most powerful insights on the page. Next, profit margin. Sales revenue per product is plotted with its individual sales revenue and profit margin. You instantly see products with rising profitability, stagnant returns, or declining margin contribution. Hover on any point and Smart Insights explains why margins spiked, which production metric affected cost, or whether a pricing strategy impacted revenue. Next, sales revenue per sales channel. Bottom left stacked bars. Here your business model speaks loud and clear. Sales channels, online store, physical store, and resellers contribute visibly different revenue streams. Online store, $8.90 million, physical store, $8.22 million, resellers, $7.20 million. Use this during channel strategy meetings with actual revenue and identify where distribution efforts need strengthening. The next chart reveals how production performance links directly to revenue. 3 metrics: defect rate, production efficiency rate, and quality control contribute around 32% to 34% each to revenue. These insights help pinpoint operational strengths and weaknesses. Next, gross profit and sales revenue per customer acquisition source. Marketing ROI becomes crystal clear with this view. Both gross profit and sales revenue are compared across acquisition sources. This is where leaders understand which channels truly drive profitable growth. Next, the profit margin and sales revenue per date. This quarterly timeline shows how profit margin and revenue move together across Q3 2022 to Q4 2023. With predictive forecasting, this chart becomes a forward-looking tool, projecting future sales and margin curves, helping the business anticipate market shifts. This first page blends performance, profitability, customer acquisition, and operational impact, giving decision-makers one clear view of what's happening, why it's happening, and where immediate attention is required. On the left side of the page, SAP Analytics Cloud filters allow leaders to dynamically slice the entire analysis in real time. Filters such as product category, sales channel, production metrics act as a single control layer. Selecting any filter instantly updates all KPIs and charts on the page. Now moving on to the next page, that is inventory, which is the heartbeat of manufacturing performance. And this page gives you real-time visibility into inventory movement, cost efficiency, and operational effectiveness. From the top panel, inventory turnover, $2.85 million. Average inventory value, $2.75 million. Inventory holding cost, $20.48 billion. Inventory turnover rate, 1.0. These KPIs reveal whether your organization is lean, overstocked, or cost-heavy. Now let's move on to charts. Firstly, there is inventory turnover per production metrics bar chart. This chart shows turnover performance across production metrics, such as defect rate, quality control, production efficiency rate. A small vertical indicator shows the average benchmark at $950,000. A higher turnover reflects healthier inventory flow. Next, inventory holding cost per distribution channel. Side-by-side bars. Here, cost differentials between direct sales and retail partners are unmistakable. Direct sales, $5.13 billion. Retail partners, $5.10 billion. Even small percentage changes have massive financial implications at this scale. The average inventory value per customer acquisition source. The chart shows consistent inventory value across acquisition sources, ranging between $902,000 to $931,000. This helps identify whether certain customer channels demand higher inventory stocking. Inventory holding cost and turnover rate per production metrics. Bottom left bar, plus line combo. This visual displays holding cost per metric, $2.28 billion to $2.41 billion inventory turnover rate, ranging from 0.98 to 1.01. A critical tool for diagnosing production-induced inventory imbalance. Average inventory value per distribution channels and order types. This heat map compares how different channels and order types, bulk, new, old, repeat, impact inventory value. Direct sales and retail partners show a rich distribution of values, with pockets like direct sales, repeat orders performing highest. Next, inventory holding cost and turnover per product. This detailed timeline plots fluctuations in holding cost and turnover across months, with granularity from November 2022 through September 2023. It's a powerful tool for warehouse planning, procurement timing, and detecting storage inefficiencies. So this page gives leaders full visibility into movement, waste, and cost, helping the organization optimize storage, reduce holding cost, and lift operational efficiency. Let's move to the last page, that is Product Deep Dive and Complete Operational Intelligence. This final page goes beyond performance. It breaks every product down into its financial and operational components. Top KPIs: total gross margin, 11.09%. Holding cost percentage, 2.21%. Profit margin, 26.65%. These KPIs show the balance between revenue, cost, and profitability at a portfolio-wide level. Next, moving on to charts, this chart shows margin contribution percentages across all products, highlighting a range from 7% to 18%, with products like baguette leading at 18.36%. This view helps instantly spot low-margin and high-margin product lines. Next, gross margin and profit margin per production metrics. This visual connects production efficiency directly to margin performance. Gross margin ranges 10.76% to 10.92%. Profit margin ranges 0.86 to 0.93. It tells you whether quality issues, defects, or production speed are hurting profitability. Next, holding cost percentage per order type. Holding cost varies significantly across order types, such as bulk orders, new orders, old orders, and repeat orders, which is a critical insight for optimizing fulfillment strategy. This detailed table brings everything together, product by product values for sales, revenue, gross, profit margin, units, sold, selling prices, inventory, turnover, average, inventory, value, holding cost percentage. This is the definitive tool for product managers, finance teams, and operations leaders to make data-backed decisions. For further information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies.